Hi everyone, it's Karla and welcome to my YouTube channel. And I'm very happy na andito kayo ngayon. Kasi syempre, hello! Yes! Finally, my first ever video is na-upload ko na sa channel ko. Before we start, bigyan ko kayo ng small info about my small business. So, I have an online thrift store or online clothing store sa Instagram. And meron din ako sa Facebook and sa Shopee. But mostly sa Instagram ako nag-sell or nagpo-post kasi mas andun yung buyers, viewers, and customers ko. If you guys want to be updated on our future collections, you can follow my shop on Instagram at kengyph and like us on Facebook at kengyph and follow our social media accounts. Thank you! So, ayun lang, let's start! So, the first thing that I do is sina-check out ko muna lahat ng kailangan ko for my business online. Like yung freebies, yung mga kailangan ko for my packaging and thank you cards, and other supplies for my small business. Sina-check out ko muna talaga lahat sila online kasi it really takes time bago pa sila dumating. So for my sticker, I use Yasen Glossy Label sticker. I bought it from Shopee, and I use also matte paper for my coats. Sa packaging ko, I use plastic with adhesive. And for my thank you cards naman, I use this calling card paper from Yasen also. Another tip lang din, share ko sa inyo. Sa online, nagtitrift din ako. Saan dami ko nakikitang rare items and products na nabibenta ko sa shop ko. And you can find talaga so many suppliers sa Shopee, sa Instagram, and sa Facebook. Second part is, I prepare lahat ng thank you cards ko. Ini-edit ko yung mga thank you cards ko dito sa canva.com and super convenient niya, especially if you're beginner pa lang sa editing. So dito meron ng free templates, fonts, stickers, elements, and everything na kailangan mo for your design. Dito rin ako nag-edit ng mga stickers and mga templates for posting sa IG stories and sa IG feed. Another tip, bago kayo mag-print, don't forget to change the print quality to best para mas malinaw yung quality ng thank you cards nyo. So ayun guys, dumating na yung mga inaantay nating parcel. So let's go! Dumating na yung ibang stocks and supplies that I will be selling for this collection. For my freebies naman, I bought lip mask, face mask, and cotton pads. Next, the third part. This is one of my favorite parts, yet pinaka nakakapagod sa lahat, pero it's worth it. Every collection, marami at iba-iba yung napupuntahan naming thrift stores dito sa Cavite. Hindi ko na lang din na-film yung ibang parts kasi hindi ko na nadala yung camera ko para mag-shoot. Just a reminder, don't forget to sanitize your hands. Siyempre, thrift stores pa rin yung pinupuntahan natin and nakakasalumuha tayo ng iba't ibang tao. Of course, wag din kalimutan i-sanitize, i-wash, and i-laundry yung clothes na galing sa thrift stores. Next part is the production. Para sa flat lay ko, gumagamit lang ako ng plain white fabric as a background. And kina-crumple ko lang siya para hindi siya ganun ka-plain tignan. I use natural lighting and my camera Canon EOS M50 sa pagpipicture ng products ko. Kahit anong camera is okay kung anong meron kayo, and you're good to go. So guys, the next part is one of the most exciting part, and that is today, the collection day! Pinakakantay ko talaga tong araw na to and favorite part ko to. So, mamaya ipopost ko na yung items and na-ready ko na siya kagabi pa para tuloy-tuloy yung posting. Sa part na to, nakakapag-communicate din ako and bond with my buyers and customers.
Friends only talk to till summer ends. The best way to spend your day in it when you're only making $10 every 60 minutes. Let's clock out.
Set, go. So the next part is again one of my favorite part is packing orders. Ewan ko ba, pero iba yung feeling, masaya lang talaga at na-enjoy ko talagang mag-pack ng order. Finally, tapos na akong mag-pack ng orders and na-sort ko na rin lahat sila. So, inaantay ko na lang silang i-pick up bukas ni Kuya Ryder and that's the end of the process.
So, you've now reached the end of this video. Thank you so much everyone for watching and sana nakahelp ako sa inyo in any way. And alam ko, kung pinapanood nyo itong video na to, you're planning to start a business or may business na kayo. So, ko lang sabihin na, huwag kayong titigil guys. Never stop doing what you love. Lagi nyong iisipin bakit kayo nagsimula and bakit nyo to ginagawa. Darating talaga din yung times na madadown talaga tayo, madadown talaga kayo. But that's okay guys, kasi part siya ng process. So, huwag nyo lang i-trust yung process. I-trust nyo din yung sarili nyo. Maniwala din kayo sa sarili nyo. And sure na sure ako na yung business nyo ay lalaki din at someday magiging successful kayo. And also, thank you so much everyone sa mga nag-mine and nag-purchase sa shop ko. Again, thank you so much everyone. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the like and notification bell button. And if may mga tanong man kayo or any suggestions, you can comment down below. See you on my next video. Bye!